Hello everyone. I want to start Photoshop tutorials for you. I show you how to create everything in Photoshop, in easy and better way. In this tutorial, we learn about how to give shadow effect to text or logo. You can see here, I give effect like sun. The shadow was going to end of projection. It is look like professional. This is easy and saved your time. If your logo was simple, this effect was make your logo beautiful. So, let's start it. First, open Photoshop CC. Select File and make a new project. Here, size is 1000 by 900 pixels. Rename this project. I give the name logo. Select OK. Select rectangle tool and make a rectangle of size 1000 by 900 pixels. Select OK. I selected green color. Now, fit this rectangle in background. You can change the color from fill tool. I like this color for background. Select text tool. I write characters M and C. Select font from list. I select plaster. You can download this font from link given in description. It is totally free. Set as per your requirement. Perfect. Select this layer and make duplicate of it. Change its color black. You can see here, black layer is walk as shadow. Select it and dredge down. Select black fonts and convert into transformation. Press Ctrl+T. I change its angle from 0 to 45. I don't like this. I rotate back side. Angle change from -45. Good. It is best. Select black font layer and press Alt plus right arrow key in Mac 150 duplicate layers. Now, select all duplicate layers. Now, merge it. This layer was shadow layer. Nice, it's look better. Now we rotate it +45 degree. Set it as shadow of font. Mac duplicate layers and make shadow at the end of projection of page. Now, select all duplicate layers and merge it. Set the opacity at your choice. It is not depended on my choice. You can make your personal choice. Perfect. So, our logo was ready. If you make this logo with your name and your choice, you can send me your logo. If you like this video, please share it. We meet in next tutorial. Have a nice day.